The content of this video is brought to you by Special Inspection Phoenix, a DBA under the Licensed Industrial Code Management. Do you know what it takes to ensure a building's fire-resistant joint penetration system is up to code? It's not a simple check in the box, but a compliance process that requires attention to detail and a deep understanding of fire safety regulations. First off, the process begins with documentation verification. A certified fire-resistant joint penetration inspector must ensure that all documentation related to the fire-resistant materials, systems, and assemblies is complete and accurate. This includes checking for Underwriter's Laboratory Certificate of Compliance records from the manufacturer. This should state UL 1479 for penetrations and UL 2019 for joints, which verifies the fire resistance rating of the joint system. Next, the inspector must ensure material compliance. The materials used in the joint penetration must comply with the specified fire resistance rating. This involves checking the type of fire stop system used, such as sealant or intumescent wrap, and ensuring it matches the specifications. The third step in the process is the installation inspection. This confirms that the installation of fire-resistant joint systems is in accordance with the manufacturer's instructions and the approved building design. It includes verifying the correct application of materials and ensuring that the joint system is intact and undamaged. Then, the inspector must verify the size and configuration of the joint penetration. This includes checking the width, depth, and orientation of the joint, as well as the types of wall sealing or floor penetrants, like electrical conduits or plumbing pipes, and their arrangement within the joint. Following this, the seal integrity must be checked. Inspectors must ensure there are no gaps, voids, or discontinuities that could compromise the fire resistance rating. The seal must be continuous and provide a complete barrier to fire and smoke. The next step is verifying compatibility. This ensures that the fire stop materials will not degrade or lose effectiveness due to chemical reactions or physical interactions with the components of the joint system. Also, the fire resistance rating of the joint penetration system must be consistent with the requirements for the building's type of construction and occupancy classification. This means that the fire stop system provides the required level of protection based on the building's overall fire safety strategy. The inspection should also assess the ease of maintenance and accessibility of the fire-resistant joint system for future inspections and repairs. This includes ensuring that the system is not covered or obscured in a way that would make inspection or maintenance difficult. In addition to the International Building Code requirements, the inspection must take into account any local amendments or additional requirements specific to the jurisdiction where the building is located. Finally, inspectors must document the results of the inspection, noting any deficiencies or issues that must be addressed. A follow-up inspection may be required to verify that all corrections have been made satisfactorily. So, you see, ensuring a building's fire-resistant joint penetration system is up to code is an important and necessary part of a life-saving process. It involves multiple steps, each critical to the overall safety and integrity of the building. From documentation verification to follow-up and documentation, each step reinforces the importance of thorough inspection and compliance with fire safety regulations. Because at the end of the day, it's not just about checking boxes, it's about ensuring the safety of everyone within the building. And remember, the trusted fire stop joint penetration experts at Special Inspection Phoenix are here to help.